Hey everyone, it's me, Megz, and I am back with another personality unit, aka wig, and this is a half wig by HerGivenHair. So I am not new to HerGivenHair. I've been using HerGivenHair for many years now, and this box has definitely improved, and it also came with a wig instruction book, and they didn't used to have that back in the day, so I was like really pleasantly surprised with that. It has all this information about how to care for your units, how to fit it properly on your head, and it also has a really nice satin-like slip sleeve to keep your unit in. And also it came with a bonnet, okay? So this is a curly unit by HerGivenHair. So with curly units, I always wash them first and condition curly units because it gives me the best results possible. So as this air dries, I am going to apply some leave-in conditioner, and this one is by Half Wig. It's their Curlific leave-in conditioner. I love using this on my hair as well as curly units. I love a spray leave-in because it really gets the job done, and I apply a generous amount of this. And with this unit, it is an ombre kind of brown color, and I do like that this does have a nice drop root because it is a half wig. So I'm going to have some leave out, so that's going to be very important for me. So it detangled pretty nicely. It's really smooth. I didn't have any tangling, but I did experience some shedding, and I typically always experience shedding like this when it comes to my curly units that I do have. So that was normal for me. So I am going to take this Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse, and this is my favorite one to use on curly units. It smells great, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount of this because you really want to get that foam on there because you want those curls to clump. Okay, so I applied that from end all the way up to the cap, and I'm going to detangle through with my Demon brush here and make sure that the curls clump and let it air dry overnight. And this is exactly how it came out. Very shiny, very soft, and the curls have clumped together beautifully, and so the ends are really nice and soft. That's what I typically look for as far as quality of hair, how it washes, how it conditions, and how it air dries. So that lets me know, like, yes, this will work for me. This will work. So the color is beautiful. This is a half wig. It does have about 4 combs within this wig, but I typically don't use the combs. I just like to use the elastic band at the nape area. So I like to use these because it really gets the job done, and it also has kind of like this the way they sewed the web, so say if the wind blows, you won't really be clogged. So I did like that. That was a good touch there. And it does kind of have like a drawstring there for even extra security, along with the adjustable straps and the comb at the nape. So I did do a twist out for my leave out, and I left the back twisted up because I want this to be a nice protective style for me, especially during these warmer months. Really easy to put on. So I just left just enough leave out for it to fit comfortably on my head with the half wig, and to also still remain a protective style. So you can put as much leave out as you wish or as little, and I felt like this was like a happy middle right here. So it fit nice, it laid really flat, and it was very comfortable. And the density of this unit will be down in the description, along with all the additional hair deets about this unit will be down in the description below. So I noticed it was just really comfortable, and it really was snug, okay? This thing wasn't going anywhere, so I really did like that it was fit nice and comfortably behind my ears, because that's something that is a pet peeve of mine when I have a unit and it doesn't fit around my ears properly. So this half wig, you know, I'm feeling it so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove my flat twist. When I have curly units that I know I'm going to either do clip-ins or have some leave out, I like to do flat twists because I want the curl to kind of start from the base or the root of my hair so it can blend in nicely with the unit. And as you can see here, it's matching pretty well. It's matching pretty well. And the hair is nice and soft. It blends with my natural black color. So I really like that this is ombre because my hair is pretty dark. So I really am feeling this so far. The color is really nice, and the curl pattern matches my flat twist curl pattern. So you can do a lot of things with this, okay? So I'm just going to gently unravel my twist and just start to blend, making sure that the half wig band is nice and covered. And so since my bang is a bit shorter than the rest of the unit, I am going to kind of create a mini layer in the front just so it can kind of blend and look a bit more realistic with my hair leave out there. So I'm just going to take my time and cut small pieces at a time, because you cut too much off at one time, it's no turning back. So I'm just kind of, you know, making sure that I have a nice light layer to this hair. And I am going to fluff this hair out just a little bit. It did fluff out pretty nicely without getting frizzy. So I do really love that. And the color is really, really cute. So I usually don't wear colors like this. So it was like a really nice change for me just to switch things up and have some fun with my units. And it was really easy to kind of pop on as far as this half wig. And I think this would be great for beginners and people who just don't have a lot of time like myself but still want a semi-protective style, especially if you are on a hair care recovery journey like myself and don't want to manipulate in your hair very often. This is the perfect unit to give your hair a break, to keep your hair nice and moisturized underneath. So I am going to apply a little bit of leave-in, well, not leave-in, edge control. We're going to apply some edge control, and it's really blending very nicely, very easy to put on and to style. And so I'm thinking with this half wig, you can do a lot of different styles. I think you can do really a lot and get creative with this. You could do a half up, half down, and all kinds of things. So this is pretty much the final look as far as if I were to decide to leave it all down. It fluffed out beautifully. The hair is really nice and soft, and it's lightweight, and it doesn't feel hot because I don't like units that feel hot. So this density was absolutely perfect for me, and I think this length is like either 20 or 22 inches. So I will have all of that information down in the description below. And so the color is like a really pretty rich brown, more like it kind of looks more red to me in my opinion. So it was very secure on my head too with the drawstring. So I really did like that. So there's no clocking here, okay? You can just slap this thing on and go, and that's what I plan to do with this unit, okay? And I think I would like this unit in black, like all black too. I would love that. But this is really cute too. I'm not mad at this. I'm really not mad at the ombre. I feel like the transition was really nice, and it looks pretty natural as far as the color blending in with my leave out. So say if the wind blows, you will not be clocked. I will not be clocked. We won't be clocked. So I was like, oh, I can play with this a little bit more. I can do a half up, half down, and it gives very much so natural. And you can do a lot of different things with this, which is really cool that you can't do with lace wigs, that you have to cut the lace. So this is completely glueless, completely saved, especially for people who don't like using glue with the lace and all that, because sometimes that can get a little hairy, get a little sticky when it comes to your hairline. So hairline is intact and protected. I can do different styles with this. And I definitely prefer half wigs and clip-ins, especially if you go to events and you know it's a photographer going to be there. That lace won't be clocked with this half wig, okay? So it's really cute. I can do a lot of different things with this. I decided to do a really low manipulation, kind of pulled back with these clips here. So there are a lot of things I can do and play around with this unit for low manipulation styling, especially with this current hair journey that I'm on. I'm really feeling this half wig. So if you have any questions, let me know. And all information about this HerGiven half wig will be down in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and don't forget to check out more of my HerGiven hair extension videos on my channel.